Hello and welcome to Telugu Titbits, the podcast where we learn to speak Telugu one small manageable bite at a time. I'm your host and teacher, Anu. In each episode, I'll be joined by a student who is learning right alongside you. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our very first student, Sam. Hi, Sam. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Anu. Thanks so much for having me. I'm really excited and maybe a little nervous to get started. I've always wanted to learn Telugu.
There's absolutely no need to be nervous. They're all in this together. The goal here is to make learning fun and accessible. So let's start with the very first word you'll need in any conversation, a greeting. In Telugu, a very common and respectful way to say hello is Namaskaaram.
Na-ma-ska-ram.
Okay, Namaskaaram. How did I do?
That was perfect. You have a natural feel for it. Namaskaram is a wonderful way to greet anyone at any time of day, whether they are older or younger than you. It's a bit like saying hello, but with an added layer of respect, similar to Namaste in Hindi.
Namaskaram. Got it. That's a great first word to have.
It is. So after you greet someone, what's the next logical step in an introduction?
Asking for their name, I guess?
Exactly. To ask what is your name in a polite way, you would say, "Me perenti."
Let's break that down. The first word is me. It means your in the formal sense. The second word is peru. Can you guess what that means?
Peru. Sounds a bit like name. Is it name?
It is. Peru means name, and the last word, enti, means what. So, me peru enti literally translates to your name what. Why don't you give it a try?
మీ పేరు ఏంటి?
Chala baga chepparu. That means you said it very well. Now to answer that question, you would say na peru followed by your name. Na means my. So you would say
నా పేరు Sam.
perfect. So let's practice. I'll ask you and you answer. Ready?
Yup, ready. నా పేరు Sam.
Excellent. Now, how would you ask me for my name?
మీ పేరేంటి?
Na peru Anu. See, you've already got the basics of an introduction down.
That's awesome. It feels pretty straightforward when you break it down like that.
That's the key. So, we have Namaskaram, mi perenti, and na peru. The next thing we naturally ask is, how are you? For that we say, Elaa unnaaru.
Elaa unnaaru? That sounds a little more complicated.
Only at first. Let's break it down. Elaa means how, and unnaaru means are you. Again, the ru at the end signals that it's the formal, respectful form. If you were talking to a close friend or someone younger, you might say Elaa unnavu, but unnaaru is always a safe and polite choice.
Elaa unnaaru.
Yes, exactly. Great pronunciation. Now to answer, a simple and positive response is Baagunnaanu.
Baagunnaanu. And that means I am fine?
Precisely. It means I am well or I am good. So let's try it. Sam, Elaa unnaaru?
Baagunnaanu.
Perfect. Now, what if you want to ask me in return? You could repeat the full phrase, Elaa unnaaru. But there's a much shorter way. You can simply say, Meeru.
Meeru? Just like that? And it means, and you?
That's right. Meeru is the formal you. So by asking Meeru, you're essentially saying, and how are you? It's a very common conversational shortcut. I would then reply, Nenu kuda baagunnaanu, which means I am also fine.
Wow, okay, that seems like a lot. But I think I have the pieces. Namaskaram. Mi peru enti. Na peru. Elaa unnaaru. Baagunnaanu. And Meeru?
You do. You have everything you need for a basic, polite introduction. Shall we try to put it all together into one conversation?
Yes, let's do it. A little intimidating, but I'm ready.
Don't worry, I'll start. Imagine we're just meeting.
Namaskaaram.
నమస్కారం మీ పేరేంటి
నా పేరు అను. మీ పేరేంటి?
నా పేరు శామ్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను. మీరు?
Baagunnaanu.
Sam, that was absolutely fantastic. You just had your first full conversation in Telugu. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. It really flowed once we got going. I can't believe how quickly those few phrases can build a real interaction.
Right? And that's what language is all about, connecting with people. Let's do a quick recap for everyone listening. To say hello, we use
నమస్కారం
what is your name? My name is.
నా పేరు
How are you?
ఎలా ఉన్నారు
And to answer, I am fine, we say,
Baagunnaanu.
and you? You've got it. That is a solid foundation for any first meeting. I'm so impressed, Sam.
Thank you, Anu. This has been way more fun and less scary than I thought it would be. Your explanations really help.
I'm so glad to hear that. And for all our listeners, don't forget to practice these phrases. Say them out loud. Try our little conversation script with a friend. The more you use them, the more natural they will become.
That's the spirit. Listeners, you can follow along with Sam. First, let's learn how to show appreciation. To say thank you in Telugu, you say ధన్యవాదములు. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's very polite.
Thanks for teaching me. I can't wait for the next lesson.
Join us next time when we'll learn how to say thank you and you're welcome. Until then, keep practicing.